In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at how to work with date and time. In this lecture, we'll take a look at how to work with date and time in PHP. So we'll see how we can make use of the date data type. We'll also see how we can convert relative dates like today, tomorrow, yesterday, all these formats to actual dates. And then we'll see formatting dates. So let's get started with converting relative dates to actual date. So here you can see that we are making use of a function called strtotime, which you can say as a string to time. And this basically takes a date parameter. So date can be any string like I've mentioned over here, today, tomorrow, yesterday. You can even store the output of strtotime to a variable like I'm doing over here. So the first relative date that we are converting is today. So we are saying strtotime today. So this is going to give you Unix timestamp for today. And then we will be using some other methods to convert that Unix timestamp to actual date formats. So that will be covering a bit later. Now, here we are saying today, then we are passing tomorrow, yesterday, and here you can see we are just saying last Saturday of December 2017. Or you can specify it in this fashion as well, in this manner as well, like date dash month dash year. And here also year, month, date. Or you can see that with ordinal suffix January 22nd, 2018. So these are the ways you can make use of a string to time function to convert relative dates to actual dates. And once you get the Unix timestamp for these using this strtotime function, we'll make use of another function for formatting these dates, that is making use of the date function. So here you can see that when we are saying date, here we are passing the format. So we want to see the date, let's say for today, in this format, month, day, and full year. Similarly, when we say FJS, you can see that S is caps. Why? In that case, it's going to return full month with ordinal suffix. Then we have another way, that is formatting with Scape Characters. So you can see that we're making use of backslash over here. Then if you want to just get the week number for a given day, then you can mention by specifying W. And if you want to get the atom format, which is used in MySQL for a given date, then you can just pass this global variable date atom to the date function. So now if I run this one in browser, you will notice from formatted dates you can see that the first output that is coming up is for January 22nd, which is today. Then we are having this full month with ordinal suffix, so it's saying January 23rd, 2018. Then we have made use of the Scape Characters. So here you can see it says Sunday. L is actually going to give you the day, Sunday the 21st of January. And then we have this W to get the week number. It's saying this is the third week of January. And then we are saying date atom for MySQL format. So here you can see this is the format used in MySQL. So earlier you can see the strtotime that we echoed was just giving us some Unix timestamp which was not readable, so we had to format this using the date function, and here we are with our dates. So now you can make use of strtotime and date function together to format any relative dates.